Quick product review, guys. What's up? Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks. Look at this bad boy. Old Tamiya King Haul. I might have something in the upcoming video, so check that out. But what has a GT powered Jetfan got to do with RC? Well, if you're off-roading, getting anything wet, or just wanted to blow dust off everything or anything like RC cars, tables, or even Lego, which would be good for me as well, this might be good for you. So it's got 100,000 RPM max there, which is pretty impressive. So as you can see, blow dust and stuff off your RC cars. Outdoor use. Oh, you can pump up inflatable rafts and all that kind of cool stuff if you want as well. It's pretty sweet. Leave the link down below if you want to go check it out. But there you go, 1000 milliamp hour battery, 3 hours charging time. And there we go there. Theoretical battery life about 4 hours. Okay, sounds okay. Let's have a look. Instruction manual. Space gray. Check out this. And what I liked about it, it's not plastic construction. It is all aluminium. Nice fine thread aluminium body there, as you can see. And it's really robust. It's obviously hard to see on camera, but it actually is really nice. At the bottom here, you got a little LED indicator. It's your charging port as well. As you can see, push and hold. There we go there. That's on full strength. You push it again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Argument's sake. Now, if you want to turn it on, there's a little button here. You kind of push and hold it. But if I just show you that, it's got no plastic in there at all. It's all metal construction. That's on the lowest. If you push it again, and do it all the way full bore. Now it does actually, I'm actually really impressed with it. It's actually really, really good. So you can blow, stuff off your cars, your RC trucks, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's really, that's the sucking end, obviously. Yeah, it's pretty impressive for the size of it. I'm actually pretty pumped with that. It's got a little charging port. Does come with accessories as well. Let me just open that up. So as the accessories, got a little lanyard, little accessory here, which is for actually blowing dust. It tells you here, so that's just basic. Like if you're ever out in the camping, you can dry your hair with that, but I wouldn't need that. Got no hair. Or this attachment here, this is for blowing dust, which kind of exacerbates the moving out, and it kind of supercharges it. Gives you a bit of instructions here, like I said before. It's got some LED lights to talk about everything and how to charge it. It's got a USB-C charger, which is awesome. And this has a really nice fine thread, which goes on. There we go there. This end, just here, you just screw it on. Nothing much to it. That's it. Let me screw it on with 2 hands. There we go. Now, yeah, it's much more potent. I really like it. You can just see little nooks and crannies after you've run it, even dried it, like that. Obviously, I've got nothing dirty here at the moment, but it'd be good to get into everything, finds out everything you need. Happy days. What I like about it, like I said before, it's no metal. It's all metal construction. Look at that fan. You can just push and hold for a little bit. It kind of spools up. See, that's cool. Clean your house with it. Do whatever you want. And it's got like a little indicator there. Pretty cool, eh? I like it. I know it's not too RC related, but we can definitely use it for all your RC applications, I reckon. Not just for RC as well, but for like camping or anything really. Drying your hair if you really want to. It looks really cool. Like I said, leave a link down below. Quick product review. Have a few other things from GT Power. They sent me their new GT Power X2 Pro charger. I'll do another video on that one. And the latest and greatest container truck lighting and voice vibration system. That's pretty cool. Know what to put that in. That's why I got this out. And I was like, oh, maybe I can chuck it in that beast. But yeah, clean up my stuff. Good thing about it, you can always put it in your pocket. Good to go. I like it. What do you reckon, guys? Have you got this? What do you think about it? Never thought I'd be that excited about a hairdryer. Like I said, I don't have hair, but it might be beneficial for my beard. All right, guys, quick one. I'll leave you to it. Like I said, if you're interested, check out the links. Thanks, guys.